Okay, and next is slicing string. Okay, slicing string start. Okay, you can return a range of the characters by using the slice syntax. Okay, and specify the start index. Okay, start index and end index separated by the comma. Okay, colons to returns a parts of the string. This is a colon is used. Okay, this is separated use is a colons. This is 2:5. Okay, the get character the position of 2, position of 5. Okay, this is slicing means pieces of the characters and alphabets. Any this is 1, 2 is a starting points and 5 is a ending points. Indexing starting is a 0, h1 is 0, e is 1, l is 2, 3, 4, starting is 0. Okay, then try it. Okay, double LO is written. Reason is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means this is a 5 characters. Okay, 5 words. Starting is 0 and 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. 2 means L is 2 positions. First L. Okay, and 0 is 5 positions. And slicing for from the start. Start means get the characters from the start to the position of 5 and not included. Suppose that this is a string and assign the variables b all value. This is containers and like variables, and assign the all value, save the b and print b. B means variables name and not starting point. Okay, not starting points. This one is done. Okay, not mention is starting point, this one. Okay, no starting point, but ending is a 5, but automatic get the data 0 index starting point, not mention, then starting point is 0 and end point is 5. Okay, hello. Reason is starting is 0, not mention this. And just opposite and 5. Suppose that 5 and ending point is removed, and automatic ending point is ending. This is a not. Last word is friends. Okay, last one. Slice to the ends. Already mentioned this. Okay, this one is already mentioned. Get the character of the position 2 and all we have the ends, hello worlds and 2, but ending point is not mentioned, and automatic get the data and ending points. By leaving the out of the index range will be get the end. End means just ending. And negative indexing means use the negative index, start with the slice from the end of the string. End of the string means minus, starting is the this one, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This one is running from 0 in word position of -5. Okay, this is a -5, this is -5, 0, and the but not included d would be positions of -2. Reason is okay, this is starting -5 and ending -2, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ending with -2 and reverse orders and -2 ORL, this one. Okay, ORL, this one. Okay, starting means this one, last one. This one is -5. Starting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means this one, and reverse orders. Reverse the indexing, and this one is completed. Okay, any issue? This one slicing string.
No, sir.
Okay, write down these programs and theories. Okay, next is modify string. Okay, modify string. Python has set a built-in methods that can use the strings. Okay, first is uppercase. Okay, first is uppercase. Python has set a built-in methods that you can use the strings. Uppercase means the uppercase methods returns the string in the uppercase, all uppercase. Okay, using a upper methods. Okay, this is hello world. Hello world means this is strings. Okay, and assign the variables and a dot upper. Okay, this is methods name and all characters and uppercase, convert in a uppercase. Okay, one by one. And just lowercase, the lowercase method return the string in a lowercase, a dot lower. This is a method's name and all words is lowercase. This is lowercase, all words. And remove white space. White space is the space before and endings of the after the actual text, and very often you are want to remove the space. This one using a strip methods, the remove remove white space the beginning of the end. Suppose that this is a space between space, this one, okay, hello world space beginning, and remove the space, this one a dot strip methods. Okay, run this. Okay, this one is starting point is space. Okay, then remove this automatic space and remove this some changes. Okay, and print. Okay, and between step is given. This one is, suppose that one mode is space, automatic get the space. Okay, beginning. Okay, but strip methods are used, strip automatic spaces remove. Okay, automatic spaces remove. And replace strings. Replace string means the replace methods replace the string is the another string. Okay, suppose that there is a string's name, okay, string, and this is a variable's name shape, and replace methods are used h replace j and automatic h replace j using a replace methods. Okay, this is method hello world automatic, this one is change. And split string means the split methods return in a list where the test of between the separate specified separators because the list items the using a split methods. Split method as a string as a ये subtracting the find of instruction of separators. This is substrings using a substrings. Okay, find the instruction of the separators use. This is a separators, this one use, and automatic, this one is output. Separates both are, this one is, okay, this is separate first string and second string. Okay, but this one is only one string, but separate is a this one comma separated. Okay, any problem this modify string?
No, sir.
Okay, write down this modify string. Okay, next topic is concatenations. Concatenate strings. Okay, Python string concatenations. Concatenate. First is 1 minute. Okay, string. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, this is
Hello.
string concatenations. Okay, to concatenate the combine two strings, you can use a plus operators. Plus operators means, okay, this is plus operator signs a with a variables b into the variable c. Okay, and a is hello and b is world and c variable shape a plus b. This is a merge variables. Okay, this one is prints c and automatic hello world is print. Hello world is print. Okay, they concatenate. To add separate the between, then add space. Space means between both of two string with space. This is one space, blank space. Okay, this is between blank space separated by this one, and again both space. Okay, this is space. Okay, this is small topic. Okay, write down hello. Okay,
Hello, sir.
yes, write down this. Okay, next is formatting string. Okay, next is formatting string. Okay, as we are learned in the Python's variables chapters, we cannot combine the string and numbers like this. Okay, this one is not combined. This is strings and numbers. This is a variable's name is, and then get the error. Get the error. Error name is must be str, not int. Int means this is integers. Okay, and but we can combine strings and numbers by using a format methods. Format methods are used, then this is format is right. For what is format methods? The format method take a pass arguments from then and place then strings where the placeholders curly braces are. Okay, using a curly braces are, and use the format method insert the number into the string. Okay, this is the same as first one program, and this is same as second's variable, but this is use of curly braces. Curly braces means this is use of formatting function test.format age. Age means automatic get data get. Okay, coffee बोल रहा हूँ, coffee. Yes. Okay, the format methods take unlimited numbers of arguments and are placed into the separate by using a curly braces. Okay, respected placeholder. This is a numbers of 3 arguments are passed. This one using a curly braces. Okay, and using the dot format methods. Okay, this one is curly braces use and automatic get the data one by one. Okay, this one. First is 0 index. Okay, first is 0 index, second is 1 and 2. But replace the order by using an index. Suppose that 2, 1 and 0, and just opposite. Okay, this is the indexing number, get the data. Second number is 1. Okay, third one 0 index, 1 and 2. 2 number is first and 1 number is this one, and last one is 3. This is a change the data. And this one is my orders dot format. This one my order dot format, and this is arguments pass. This is variables pass. This one all. And you can index number is 0, already explains this. Already indexing is 0, we show the arguments are placeholder is correct placeholder. Suppose that replace the 0 and automatic get the data only 0 indexing. This will, and this one already describe this programs. Okay, by using a get the data by using a indexing numbers. Okay, okay, write down. I'm back 2 minutes. Okay, this one is
Okay,
write down. Any problem this one?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, next is escape characters. Okay, Python escape characters. Escape characters means the insert the character that are illegal is a string using the escape characters, and escape characters is a backslash forward by the characters by you want to insert. Okay, and explain the illegal characters or the double quotes inside the string that are surrounded by the double quotes. This one is illegal process. This is a arise the error. This one is under a string under the double strings use. Okay, invalid syntax. Error is invalid syntax, and sign is this beginning. But the fixed problem use the escape characters use string. The escape characters allow the double quotes when you normally would you not allow. This is normally is not allowed, but this is backslash character using the string. Okay, only backslash. This is right way. Okay, this is legal. Escape characters means this is a single quotes, this is double backslash, single quotes backslash, new lines is used. Okay, and creating a returns, R is returns, tab is space, backslash means this one's slash b, and from feed by using a backslash f, and octals numbers and hexa values. This is our use. This is a machine learning use a hexa and decimals, hexa numbers and octals numbers, the binaries numbers are used. Okay, this is machine learning side. Okay, write down this escape characters. You completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, try all codes by using a PyCharm. Okay, any problem? Send my WhatsApp number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next class is tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.